In this video, how to create a folder in a GitHub repository in the web. First, click Add File and select Create a new file. Use a / in the file name field to create a folder. For example, typing this in the file name field will create a folder named Folder and a file named text.txt inside that folder. As you can see, the folder has been created successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.